तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल.
So now let us move ahead. Let us come to feedback of Kabir. Yeah, Kabir, you are there. Please tell us.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please go ahead.
So first thing, at SSB, first of all, NSB Visakhapatnam on 30 in government. When I was trained, first mistake, like I did, PIQ form was asked. We were asked to fill the PIQ form, and the JCO sir asked us that you should be writing all your attempts, detail of all the attempts. So my attempts were very, on a higher side. So I was doing that, and in that thing, I asked someone to fill my PIQ form. I asked chest number 10 to fill my PIQ form because I was running out of time, and JCO sir was saying कि जल्दी करो वरना मैं फॉर्म छोड़ूंगा. So वो एक मैंने मिस्टेक की थी. So एक ये था, and sir interview में I forgot to mention when interview officer asked me how will tell me the details of exams you have appeared. So I forgot to mention FCAT, INET, CDS exams which I have cleared. And it is because of one factor that I was very self-liable. I assumed myself self-liable to answer everything in the interview. And in that manner, I took unnecessary pressure. So this thing happened. This was the main problem in the interview at NSB Visakhapatnam. And coming to the psychology.
Now just hold on. You see,
Yes, sir.
these are practical problems. Let us take them one by one. First is that this JCO's pressure of filling the form in a hurry is actually totally worth ignoring. You should not have got your form filled up by someone else. You should have filled it up yourself only. And he can't do a damn to you, yeah. You take your time. And when he says why you're taking so much time, you tell him that I have been to SSB building some 15-16 times, so it is going to take more time than others. Those who are freshers, they will be able to fill it up quickly. I have to write everything, and that's the requirement. If you tell me that I don't write those details, then I can fill it up quickly. Are you getting the point, Kabir?
Yes, sir. I told him that, so my attempts are on the higher side, so it will take time. So he replied me that यार तू तो इतना एक्सपीरियंस है, तेरा PIQ फॉर्म तो 5 मिनट में हो जाना चाहिए, तेरे पास सिर्फ 5 मिनट है. ऐसे करके वो चले गए और 5 मिनट बाद आ गए. Then he was putting so much pressure कि जल्दी कर. So in a moment of hurry मैंने chest number 10 को बोल दिया कि I am dictating you about my attempts, just please write.
वो नहीं करने का है. मेरे एक ब्रिगेडियर साहब थे. I was a major. I was working staff officer in Kohima. He told me कि ये एक ऑपरेशंस रिपोर्ट है, ये मेरे को कल तक लिख कर दो. मैंने कहा सर मैं नहीं दे सकता हूँ आपको कल तक लिख कर. He said okay, how much time you are going to take? मैंने कहा सर I will take minimum 4 days. He said you are a hell of an inefficient person. I said sir well that's how I am. Are you getting the point?
Right, sir.
Don't get pressurized. See, if you are working sincerely and you are working okay, you can't. Nobody can get you to do these things. We had little talk on this issue. I said, sir, please get somebody from Gurkha regiment. Your Gurkha regiment must be smarter people. In Punjab regiment, I am the smartest. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So he accepted it. He realized the kind of work I have. He asked me what work you have. I said, I have got this much work on routine basis. I have to take out 2 hours. I can take it out over a period of 4 days only. I can't take out my routine work. I barely get time to finish my tea. I have to just gulp down cold tea in 5 seconds.
Right.
So don't take this pressure. Now, you see, in interview, you have created unnecessary pressure on yourself. You have gone with a mindset that you are trying to hide something, which should not be there. I have told you that your attitude should be that once you go for SSB, that you are fit for selection and you got nothing to hide. I would have told you also.
Yes, sir.
So, there's a dichotomy coming in that approach.
Right.
वो नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक कबीर?
Yes.
Okay, चलिए, let us move ahead. Now, if I remember correctly this picture, it is the the person who is having a pistol, he is pointing it at the other person. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So, this what you have done, is it not an absolutely manipulated story?
Sir, actually, beneath the boat there was something like a reptile kind of thing. So I made up a story on this.
I have seen these pictures, I have seen this picture, and I've never noticed any crocodile. And you can't kill bloody crocodiles with one pistol shot.
Right, sir.
So this was absolutely, you have, and now you see, it is somewhat consistent with your overall conduct. You are saying that you have had no intention of hiding anything, but probably you had maybe some inner desire to write lesser number of attempts. You probably had similar desire in front of the interviewing officer also, and here you have evaded this issue. That a person is pointing a pistol at the other, so what does he do? You have said that he is trying to shoot the crocodile, which is absolutely not there. So please do not do such things. It is a wrong outlook to have. You should have written a story around what is shown. And normally what would happen is that this boatman would have thought that ये रईस आदमी है, बोट में बैठा हुआ है, इसके पास पैसे वैसे होंगे, तो इसे निकलवा लेता हूँ. Fine. And if this guy was smart, firstly he could have handed over the money to him without any problems, because he knows कि ये boatman यहीं पे boat चलाता है, इसकी identity पता करना कोई मुश्किल ही नहीं है. He can be traced back through police. That's one. Secondly, he could have, if he was a energetic chap and all that, he could have backed away his pistol then and there and sorted him out also. Both the kind of things would have been okay. You getting the point?
Right, sir.
Achha.
Yes, sir.
Chaliye. So the thing is that this evasive outlook has come up, consistently, which is not a good thing. So the story is not important. Evading realities is the major issue. Don't do that, please.
Okay, sir.
Getting the point, Kabir?
Yes, sir.
Sure, let us move to the second one. Okay, so you have said there was a boy walking on an unstable rope bridge. Okay, he is one person only shown, single.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Boy learned from community participation in a lecture given by district magistrate. Then he, along with other, convinced community participation in construction of bridge with the help of Manrega workers and funds collected from villagers. Okay. See, if you have seen a person on rope bridge, idea can come that it is better to have a motorable bridge. That idea is good. However, such bridges and upgradation of such things cannot be undertaken by community collecting funds. That kind of capability communities do not have. And that is why society has developed the system of paying taxes, and infrastructure creation is the job of the governments. So this person could have mobilized the sarpanch and all that to, giving out the benefits that, in emergencies, people can be moved to hospitals, and when it is a road bridge is connecting, then they can sell their vegetables and all at a, transport them easily, milk, vegetables and other things, and both to and fro transportation becomes easier. The significance is there. And these kind of actions do not get undertaken by Manrega. So, see the combination. The combination coming out is wishful thinking. Practical sense, you are a grown-up adult, मनरेगा से ऐसा काम नहीं होता है. तो बात बनती नहीं है ठीक. This is not a sensible story that way. ठीक?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Okay, चलिए next. What is the third one? Please explain. I have not understood.
So, vlogging is when you are going for a walk or a trek, and side by side you are clearing the area from the garbage. Means yes, you are clearing the area.
What was shown in the picture?
Sir, actually, there were around 2 to 3 people, and mountains were there, and they were walking.
What picture I remember is that in that it is a snow kind of mountainous area shown, and one person in a climber's dress is climbing ahead quite a bit of the others, and there I think 3 or 4 persons are standing much behind this person. And they are on a down slope and he is on a higher height. Is that the picture?
Yes, sir.
That picture is there. Okay, very fine. Okay. Have some of you also seen this picture?
Yes, sir. I have seen.
You have seen. Okay. Some of you would have seen. Yeah. So this picture is there. Okay. Okay. What story you wrote in this?
Sir, actually, there is a problem of garbage in the tracking area most of the time. So, 2 to 3 localites, they were friends, and they planned to clear the area. So, what they did, first of all, they cleared the area and they posted the pictures on Instagram. And from there, most of their friends got motivated and they did the same thing. And in this way, they cleared the area, and also, like, उन्होंने जो ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं ट्रैकिंग वगैरह उन कंपनीज के साथ भी इस चीज के बारे में डिस्कशन की एंड उन्हें कन्विंस किया कि आप भी इस चीज को फॉलो करो.
In the story that you wrote, were these peoples absolute locals of that area or they had come from some place?
Sir, they were locals.
They were locals.
Yes.
If they were locals, then their having this idea is okay. But once again, you know, your trend of writing stories is of trying to be, you know, smarter than the usual guys. जो बहुत प्रैक्टिस किया हुआ है ना TAT and all that, वो ऐसा ऐसा स्टोरी निकालेगा कि अलग कुछ डिफरेंट बात करते हैं. नहीं तो नॉर्मल बंदा यही बात लिखेगा कि यार वो ट्रैकिंग करना है तो पहाड़ी चढ़ना है. As simple as that.
Right, sir.
So that would be a better idea than trying to sort out some, you know, do some social service there. You come on a trek, you do the trek.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Sir, I would like to mention one point here.
Go ahead.
Sir, I have written this story before joining NFA when I went to for NSP Kolkata.
Absolutely fine.
Yes, sir. After joining, I realized that there is no need to be social activist or just like write a simple story
And sir, you once told us that if there is if the picture has no garbage in there shown, if there is no garbage shown in the picture, then why are we including it and why are we making it a social scenario out of it?
I get you. I totally agree with the points you are making. These points. Yes, write simple, straightforward story on trekking. That's it. So this is okay. Now come to the next one. Dead body and a person crying. Assume father died, and how the person managed the family. This story is absolutely sensible. I have no issue with that. What
Sir,
happened?
actually, yes, sir. First thing, in the command task, I was not able to do it convincingly.
Fine.
And it's Visakhapatnam.
No,
sir.
Firstly, remove these ambiguities. You know, I am very much against these ambiguities. Not do it convincingly. I don't understand this thing only. Either you could do it or you could not do it.
Sir, I was able to do it, but I was taking so much time. Like,
Acha. So you took longer than what you expected yourself to take. Fine, but you could do it.
yes, sir. And I got stuck in between.
अबे पूरा हो गया था ना?
Yes, sir.
पूरा हो गया था. Now, how many candidates had called you to assist in their command task?
So, 2 candidates.
Two. And in any case, from your past experience, what was the degree of difficulty of the task you had got?
So it was like relatively easy.
It was easy task था, उसमें भी तू अटक गया.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा तो ठीक है, fine, okay. Okay, तो हाँ, what is the query?
सर तो वो चीज थी कि मतलब उसका क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है, लाइक आई एम अगेन आस्किंग यू दिस कि इसका क्या इफेक्ट होगा, बिकॉज उससे पहले मैं सारे टास्क बड़े अच्छे मैनर में बिना प्रेशर दिए, वहां पे जब मैं वो टास्क कर रहा था कमांड टास्क, सो आई वाज अंडर प्रेशर. जब वो नहीं हुआ मुझसे, जब मेरे आइडियाज लगना बंद हो गए थे बीच में, सो आई वाज अंडर प्रेशर एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग एंड वो नर्वसनेस साफ दिख रही थी.
नहीं, देखो आपकी मेजर प्रॉब्लम ये है, आप प्रेशर लेके चल रहे हो कि मुझे सेलेक्ट होना चाहिए क्योंकि स्टेक्स बड़ी हाई हो गई हैं.
राइट सर.
है ना, मतलब मोदी साहब का ये है ना कि इमेज बची रहनी चाहिए, साला इलेक्शन जीतना है, मर जाए लोग कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. दैट्स द आउटलुक ना हियर. तो तुम्हारा ये आ रहा है प्रॉब्लम कि सेलेक्ट हो जाऊं मैं कह रहा हूं ये एटीट्यूड रखो ही मत ना, कहोगे काम होना चाहिए बस. व्हाई थिंक ऑफ दिस कि मेरा इंप्रेशन कैसा पड़ रहा है. दिस थॉट इटसेल्फ विल गेट यू रिजेक्टेड.
राइट सर.
You should be focusing on getting the job done. That's all.
Yes sir.
So, and see, things don't change from PGT to NGT to anything. It's the same bloody brain and same kind of stuff.
Yes sir.
अगर stuck हो रहे हो, नहीं idea आ रहा, subordinate से पूछो.
Yes sir.
And get on with the task. That's it. So the attitude has been poor. And these thoughts have been of no use at all, useless thoughts. कि इंप्रेशन क्या हुआ होगा. जब इंप्रेशन क्या हुआ होगा सोचना शुरू किया तो समझो रिजेक्ट ही होगा, जो हो ही गया.
Yes sir.
आई बात समझ में?
Yes sir.
तुमने किताब पढ़ा, तुमने ईशान की कहानी पढ़ी, ईशान हलकरण वगैरह की?
ईशान की तो नहीं पढ़ी.
हाँ, नहीं पढ़ी.
Most of the
हाँ, वो एंड में 3 की घट्टी लिखी हुई है, भवानी, ईशान और हलकरण की.
Yes sir.
It will take you 2.5 minutes to read that.
Yes sir.
Please read that. And I keep telling also कि तनुज का केस देख लो, जिसका है रिकॉर्डेड इंटरव्यू, कि वो 3 साल पहले ऑफिसर बन गया होता. बट तुम वो नहीं पढ़ोगे, वहां जाके अपने थॉटिंग और अपनी वो करते रहोगे कि अब इंप्रेशन खराब हो गया तो अब क्या होगा. It is not going to help you at all. You should just focus on doing the job.
Thank you.
Understood?
Yes sir.
अच्छा, फिर आपने लिखा man standing on gate and trees there in the background. चलो, this story is okay. I have no issues with that. The second one, what is this boy locked inside room and one person is seeing him? मैं समझ में नहीं आई ये बात.
So there was one kid who was inside, who was locked inside the room, and one person is seeing him from the outside.
नहीं तो क्या वो जेल जैसे उसमें है, ताला लगा हुआ है?
Yes sir. Like the kid is watching from the window.
नहीं, लॉक लगा हुआ कहाँ से दिख रहा है लॉक?
Yes sir. दरवाजा बंद पड़ा हुआ था बाहर से.
दरवाजा बंद पड़ा हुआ था.
Yes sir.
अब आप ये बताइए मुझे कि नॉर्मल लाइफ में कौन अपने बच्चों को ऐसे जेल में बंद करने की सजा देता है? आप में से किसी को मिली है ऐसी सजा?
No sir.
नहीं सर.
किसी को भी मिली है? अब एक कितने, हम करीब 50 लोग हैं, किसी को मिली है ऐसी सजा? मुझे तो मिली नहीं.
सर ये मेरे टाइम पे भी आई थी स्टोरी. आई जस्ट
नहीं, वो विल नॉट गेट इनटू व्हाट स्टोरी यू रोट. यार स्टोरी तो बहुत लिखी जा सकती है, पर मैं तो ये पूछ रहा हूँ यार, तुम्हें किसी को सजा मिली है ऐसी?
नो सर, नो.
So now this thought, is it not an awkward thought कि बच्चे को जो है बाप ने कि वो स्पोर्ट्स और एकेडमिक्स बैलेंस नहीं कर रहा था, इसके लिए जेल में बंद कर दिया है? It doesn't happen.
Thanks sir.
तो you see, I will not comment. हमारे में we have some of the students जिसकी मदर है साइकोलॉजी वाली, वो तो नहीं है खुद. That boy is here with us today. हाँ, you tell me What do you think of a person writing this kind of a story?
Frankly speaking, parents are very abusive.
Gives an indication of that, na?
Yes, sir. Like,
Yeah, it is.
the
मतलब abnormal upbringing है.
yes, sir. It would say that the boy had a very disturbing past, to be frank.
हाँ चलो वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग तो नहीं होगा कि नो कबीर असल में भी जानते हैं हम बट
According to the story,
हाँ.
the type of story.
करेक्ट हाँ तो बट ये कुछ इंडिकेटर ऐसा दे रहा है ना
Yes, sir.
सो व्हाई शुड यू हैव सच अ थॉट
सर एक्चुअली स्टोरी लिखते हुए भी लाइक अमर मेंशन कि ऐसा पास तो जब मैं स्टोरी लिख भी रहा था तो मुझे लग रहा था कि क्या लिख रहा हूँ
तो फिर लिखी क्यों
सर बस कुछ खाली थॉट ही नहीं आया उस टाइम पे आई थॉट कि यही लिख देता हूँ
यार वो गलती से हो गया होगा कुछ यू सी बिकॉज यू नो थॉट्स हैव टू बी रिलेटेड टू either things you have experienced or you have read or you have heard.
Yes.
अब ये तो ना रीडिंग में आया ना हियरिंग में आया और हुआ तो है नहीं
राइट सर
तो फिर मतलब why create such a thing?
राइट सर ये तो ब्लंडर किया था
I'm getting the point.
यस सर लिखते हुए पता चल गया था
हाँ नहीं तो देखो see the lesson learned is that don't be in a pressure and hurry to start writing. अरे deliberately सोचो.
यस सर
See, think if you have wasted 2 minutes in thinking, no problem. Write in 2 minutes only. इनकम्प्लीट रह जाएगी कोई बात नहीं है एसडी लिखने के बाद कंप्लीट कर देना है नहीं भी कंप्लीट होगी दैट इज बेटर एटलीस्ट योर थॉट प्रोसेस विल बी इन द करेक्ट लाइंस नॉट दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टफ
यस सर
दिस ब्रिंग्स मी टू अनदर पॉइंट सम स्टूडेंट्स टेल मी कि सर आपने बोला है कि एसआरटी का रिस्पांस ब्रीफ होना चाहिए यस ब्रीफ बोला है और बोलता हूं कि 45 से प्लस एसआरटी अटेम्प्ट करना चाहिए बट ब्रेविटी डज नॉट मीन कि आपका जवाब कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव नहीं हो यू कैन नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन योर रिप्लाई लैकिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन इफ इट इज नॉट क्लियर देन राइटिंग ब्रीफ इज नॉट गुड writing brief is good when it is clear and your point is explained adequately fine
Yes, sir.
so this was absolutely trash stuff you know
Yes, sir.
realizing it now
Yes, sir. Totally.
हाँ next चलिए pointing towards a beggar how he helped the beggar this is absolutely okay story scouts and guides inform a story and person leading a trek then while taking divine team of different this is okay
yes, sir. So इसमें लाइक इस स्टोरी में फोर्थ स्टोरी में मेरा जो स्टोरी को ऑर्गेनाइज करने का मैनर था वो अच्छा नहीं था
minor issues that's not a major thing major thing is कि thought process cockeyed तो नहीं है
राइट सर
once again ना जब तुम ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस हो गए you trying to be extra good ना this will not help you
यस सर
go like a fresher if the idea is okay no issues
ओके सर
okay so far so good what else was there which we wanted to discuss
yes sir so 17 SSB बैंगलोर में जब ट्रेनिंग चल रही थी so the set wire sets were 169 and 170 and they were extremely tough so उसमें भी I was able to attempt 17 out of 90 questions in total
okay
and then GPO sir came in front of us and he asked कि कौन श्योर है कि वो 80% स्कोर कर लेगा कौन श्योर है 70% कर लेगा so there were very less hands which were raised in regard of that but मेरा फोकस उस चीज पे नहीं था मेरा फोकस था कि मैंने 70 किया आउट ऑफ 90 एंड वो चीज मुझे पूरे स्क्रीनिंग तक हॉल्ट कर रही पूरे स्क्रीनिंग प्रोसेस में कि अभी मैंने 70 आउट ऑफ 90 किया है दिस द फर्स्ट आई हैव डन टिल नाउ सो वो जो सेल्फ क्रिटिकल एटीट्यूड था ना सर वो दोनों अटेम्प्ट्स में रहा मेरे साथ
it is not self-critical attitude it is lack of confidence तुम डाउट करते रहो शुरू से ही अपने आप को. दैट इज द मेजर इशू. And that thing cannot be resolved in a day or two. It has to get resolved by your effort day in and day out, which you put now, and not in the SSB.
Yes.
When you do your daily work well, you put in your effort in improving whatever things I have told you. That if you do sincerely, it will build your confidence.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So the solution is here, not in the SSB.
Right.
And when you go this time, you will find that if you are sincere and you are not focused on SSB and making a good impression and all that, you will find that your confidence would be much higher, your performance also would be way, way better.
Right, sir.
Yeah, what else?
And sir, in Bangalore, as I mentioned that in GTO task, when I was negotiating individual obstacles, so in a moment of hurry, I missed double platform jump.
Oh.
And then I repeated the task because I thought that I have completed one round.
Fine, I got it. Now you see how many times have you been through the complete process of SSB?
9 times, sir.
9 times. अब देखो यार, एंड ये फौज वाले ऑब्स्टिकल तो एक से ही हैं, फौज और नेवी के.
Yes, sir.
आर्मी और नेवी के ऑब्स्टिकल सेम है, एयरफोर्स के फर्क है. दैट्स ऑल ना.
Right, sir.
एंड देयर लेआउट इज आल्सो प्रैक्टिकली द सेम एवरीवेयर.
Yes, sir.
तो इतनी बार ये ऑब्स्टिकल्स को देखने के करने के बाद भी इफ यू आर नॉट हैविंग अ फर्म प्लान इन योर माइंड कि मैं इस तरह से अपने मैक्सिमाइज मास करूंगा और इस सीक्वेंस में ऑब्स्टिकल्स को करूंगा, does it not indicate some problem in your common sense and ability to plan things in life?
Yes, sir.
होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए?
Right, sir. होना चाहिए.
भाई आपका इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टिकल सेकंड डे होता है ना?
सर उसी दिन हो गया था, सेम डे पे.
सेम डे हो गया था. Anyway, but you have had a look at the obstacles. You know them.
Yes, sir.
Should you not have had a clear plan in your mind कि मैं ऐसे ऐसे करूंगा?
Yes, sir. बना लिया था प्लान, पूरा बना लिया था कि ये फॉलो करना है.
तो भाई भूल कैसे गया यार? You see, okay, a fresher guy I can pardon him, but not you यार. 9 times you done this.
Right, sir.
हाँ, तुम तो ऐसा हो रहा है कि ओलंपिक में दौड़ने जा रहा है, बोल रहा है मैं सोच रहा था कि 100 मीटर की रेस कर्व में होगी. साला इतनी बार टीवी में ही देख लिया, वो स्ट्रेट में ही होती है.
Yes, sir.
तो नहीं, just tell me, just think coolly. Is it acceptable from you?
No, sir, not at all.
Not all ना. तो मतलब it shows deliberate, मतलब कि देखो confused outlook दिखता है, मतलब प्रेशर ले रहे हो, टेंशन में हो. मैक्सिमम probably the thing, the biggest component is tension, pressure. नहीं तो ये सिंपल सी चीज है, ये तो पहली बार में भी आदमी को ठीक ही कर लेनी चाहिए.
Right, sir.
So please don't take this kind of pressure. Be relaxed. जो हार्ड वर्क एफर्ट है वो तो अभी यहाँ पर है. In SSB you got to go and just enjoy yourself. You try to take pressure there, so then these kind of things will happen. And make out a one plan and just go and do the obstacles in that sequence. That's it. ठीक?
Right, sir.
Anything else?
Yes, sir. ये तो वैसे क्लियर हो गया था, but still few mistakes in Bangalore attempt in the interview.
Yes.
Like first of all, when asked for definition and concepts of different things,
Yes.
I was, in a moment of hurry, I was giving not a very clear definition or terms.
So that's bad.
Yes, sir. This I have realized.
So don't do it.
And
You
apart
should.
from that,
You
yes,
should.
sir.
You see what happens if you explain a thing clearly and deliberately. Interviewing officer may not ask you a second technical question. That one would be good enough.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So once again, the answer is not so much in answering clearly there. The answer lies in getting clarity in your thought process here, in your routine life, and the ability to express things clearly over here in your group activities. In your workplace, once you understand things with clarity and express your thoughts with clarity, you will do accordingly in front of the interviewing officer also.
Right.
It has to be your second nature, because what will come out there would be what actually you are in your routine life.
Right, sir.
Fine, you got the points, Kabir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये करो, अभी टाइम है, and I'm sure next time you'll be successful. Work on these aspects, right? In your routine life, and in SSB, don't take any pressure about results and all that. And see, हमारा 19th टाइम वाला है, उसका इंटरव्यू देखो, सुना है?
Yes, sir. Pranav Raghav.
हाँ, प्रणव राघव, सुनो ना, हुआ ना उसका?
Yes, sir.
So why not you? Okay, fine. So Kabir, thanks a lot. Thanks for sharing your experience, and I'm sure you will do a much better job next time.